So now let us see slicing the tuples. Okay, so when I say slicing the tuples, so what does it mean? I'm going to extract a few part of that particular tuple. So we'll just write up a program for it first. Yes, I'll just create a file. Let me create it. So I've created a file there, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a tuple top top then in a square brackets I'm gonna take few elements, or else I'll take it as K L comma E comma R comma L comma L comma KLRLS comma B comma C comma A. Okay, so this is my tuple, right? Exactly, so this is my tuple. So what I'm gonna do, I can take it in either way. Okay, it can be a single quotes or a double quotes. So this is my tuple. So how do I perform a slicing? So what happens if I say tup and then square brackets colon 5. Okay, let me check. Okay, I'm so yeah, you're good. Okay, so what happens over there? What happens? Let me run it and check. Okay, I'll just run this. Run slicing tuple. Okay, uh, then I'm gonna print tup 1. Here I'm gonna take it in a variable. Let me check if it works. Print and then S. Okay, so what happens if I do? Check out there. It has given me only the third and the fifth element, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, right? 4 and 5. Yes. So what it has done, now I'll just change it to 1 to 5. So at that moment what it is gonna do, just check there. So what it has done, it has started printing from LERL, right? The first element it is not considering. Yes, if I give it as your 2, what happens? So what it has to print now? It has to print ERL, right? ERL. So ERL got printed up. It means that the first mentioned element is not being printed up, second element is not printed, third, fourth and fifth is being printed out. Now I'll do the same thing here for the next one. What happens if I give here as your tuple tup and then colon 6? So what happens here? R is equals to, okay, I'll take it like this, and then I'll take up print R. Now, so what happens if I give here? Just check out there. It is printing from starting to the sixth element. Okay, getting from starting the sixth element. It is trying to print. Yes or no? But what if I want to print the entire tuple? So how I'm gonna do that? If I want to print the entire tuple, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna specify as rs. I'll take it as, okay, we already have s. E is equals to square brackets and then colon. So when I do that, I'll just take a print statement again and then I'll print E. Okay, so when I run it, okay, syntax error. Okay, I did not specify the tuple itself, right? How is that possible? Okay, sorry. Okay, now just check, I'll just run it. You can see here, the whole of the tuple is being printed out. Yes? Now, coming back to next one, what if I want to print, I want to take up a statement. What happens if I give it as your what does my tuple function do if I specify a func? Now just check here. I'll give it as tuple. Okay, I'll just give it as tup and I'll specify a tuple function. Okay, tuple is an inbuilt function which is there, and what I'll do, I'll just say as my KLERLSBCA, right? Whatever the string I have specified there, I'm gonna just do that. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna print my top one. What happens here? Let's try out. Okay, what did it do? Okay, let me give it as only RLSBCA because you need not get confused, or else I'll take it as hello world. Hello world. Okay, yeah, I'll just rerun it. Just check out there. When I perform a take a inbuilt function that is tuple and give certain string or pass certain value, what it is gonna do? It is gonna take it individually and split it and give it up. Okay, what happens if I specify a number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10? Let me check. So here it is not working, right? What if I specify them in a double quotes? Yes, just check. When I give it in a double quotes, it is gonna treat it as a string, and then it is nothing but. So for what purpose your tuple is used, tuple function is being used? Can you just guess? Yeah, can you just guess, like, for what purpose your tuple inbuilt function is being used? Just give it a try for yourself. I'll give some time for you all to think, right? So just check out for what purpose your tuple function is being used. Just have a look. Okay, so we have already discussed it actually. So tuple function is nothing but it is an inbuilt function in the Python which can be used to create a tuple. We all know that, but we have also said that the function accepts a single parameter that is iterable. So in order to iterate, it is being used. So whatever the elements are there in that particular tuple, it will be iterated. Now you saw that here tuple was there, it got iterated over to each and every element.